welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review slash demonstration on how I did these wispy edges. I've been seeing these wispy edges everywhere on TikTok, on Instagram. A lot of influencers have been wearing these edges, and I kind of wanted to give it a try myself. And sis, we did these edges on a synthetic unit, honey. So yes, I'll have this unit linked in the description box below. I received this unit from Samsbeauty.com, so I will have the direct link to them as well. And yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to your girl's channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to notify you of each video that I post. And yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, y'all, so again, this unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty.com, and this is the unit that they sent over. So it is a sensational unit, y'all. I have not had a sensational unit, and it feels like a long time. So I'm excited. Y'all can't even get out the package. I'm excited about this unit. Y'all, I real deal cannot get it out of this package. Okay, y'all, here we go. It's coming. It's coming, sis. Okay, y'all. So let me just take all of this off. They like real deal did not want you to get into it. Okay, girl, so this is what we have. We have the Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig from Sensationnel called Kiyari, and it is in the color 1B. It says it is curling iron safe, 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It has HD lace, and that's really all it says. Let me open it up. It just says you can customize it. The lace is undetectable. It's well crafted. It is a 13x6 ear to ear with 6 deep hand tied parting space. It's pre-plucked with natural density. Perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, and a protective style, no leave out necessary. So yeah, you guys, that was everything that is said. This is the stock card. This is Kiyari, if I'm saying it right, y'all. This is a nice unit and real thick. Okay, girl. So let me show you guys the hairline. This is what it looks like in the inside. These are the combs, one on either side. Does it have a comb in the middle? No. And then it has a comb at the bottom along with adjustable straps. So y'all, that is what we are looking like. This unit is feeling real thick like. So yeah, let's go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by adding powder to the lace, and this just makes the lace blend a lot better with my skin. To hold my wig in place, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free spray, and I'm just going to spray all along the hairline, and then I'm going to use my blow dryer to seal in the spray. now I'm just going back in with the powder, and then I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray again, and this just gives it the perfect melt. You guys, this step is optional. It works for me, so yeah. So now I'm just showing you guys the parting space. I believe this is a 13 by 6. You get a lot of parting space in the middle, and depending on how you part the side, you get a lot of space on the side as well, as long as it's not like a deep side part. So now we're going to begin styling the unit, you guys, and I'm just going for a simple middle part. After I part my hair, I'm then going to use my hot comb, and this is just to lay down the part and flatten the hair out or whatever, and then I'm going to as well use it to style the front. So now for these baby hairs, you guys. So first I'm going to start off by sectioning off the parts that I want to be my baby hairs. I didn't have to do much for the first section because it already comes with pre-plucked baby hair. So I only had to trim just a little bit of it. For the next section, I actually had to cut it to my liking. And then after I cut and trim the section of baby hair that I want, I'm then going to take this small flat iron, or you know what I'm saying, and then I'm going to use that to curl the baby hairs back. And as you see, the way that I curl it is kind of not towards my face, if that makes sense. And then after I do that, you guys, I'm then going to take my Lotta Body mousse, and I'm just going to play with it and try to, you know, wisp them up. And these edges take some time to like get it right and to get it how you want them to be. And I kind of wanted to cut them shorter, but I was kind of scared. So I mean, you guys can kind of play with them and do with them as you want. I don't think it's no right or wrong way to doing them. I think it's just, you know, to your preference. Now I'm just using my hot comb just to touch up the front. Okay sis, so here is what we are looking like, and yes, it is a slightly different hairstyle. I did add a clip to the back just so you guys can get the full effect of these wispy edges, and my earrings are clear and I wanted my earrings to be seen. So yeah, it is slightly different, but let me go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back of the wig. So that was the back of the wig, you guys. Getting into the details of this unit. So I'm on the edge between big hair friendly and not big hair friendly. The unit fits me snug. It's not too tight, but it is a snug fit. So you kind of make of that what you want. The texture of this unit, the texture is like a blowout texture, like your natural hair blowout. Y'all, I really love the texture. I love the thickness. The density is really thick. If it was like a human hair wig, it would probably be a 200 to 250% density because the unit is so thick. It is a rougher texture though, you guys. The texture is rough. You do need to add some oil sheen to this unit just to soften it up a little bit. You will receive some tangling. I did receive a lot of tangling actually, and a lot of shedding. So I'm not sure if that's because of the texture of this unit, but adding the oil sheen helped just a little bit, but not as much. So yeah, you will have some shedding and some tangling. The lace on this unit, you guys, the lace is undetectable, as they say. I won't argue with that. As you guys can see, it melted very nicely. I did end up adding some more powder to the hairline and some powder to the part. So yeah, you guys, it looks really nice onto these edges, y'all. So y'all, this was my second time trying these wispy edges. My first time was on a human hair wig and it did not turn out nice at all, so I kind of just brushed it back. But on this synthetic wig, honey, this synthetic hair is something else. I don't know if it's the texture, if it's because it's synthetic, but it worked a lot better for me as far as, you know, wisping it over, cutting and trimming. It just worked better for me. I don't know how it works for you. Let me know down in the comments below if you prefer it to be on a synthetic wig or a human hair wig, or if you even tried it at all, you know. But overall, you guys, I think they turned out really nice. Like my second time, I think, you know, I did pretty good. I probably could tweak it a little bit more. I don't know if I will wear these all the time. It's just something that I wanted to try because I see everybody wearing them, and yeah, you guys, I kind of liked them, so I'm like, girl, let me give it a try. So they turned out cute or whatever. So yeah, you guys, I think that's it, y'all. That was really all I had to say about this unit. So yeah, you guys, I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.